Good morning students. Today we shall discuss about chapter number 6 of geography, that is manufacturing industries. What is manufacturing industries? Productions of goods in large quantities after processing from raw material to more valuable products. For example, paper is manufactured from wood. There are so many examples. Sugar from sugarcane. After that, cotton cloth from the cotton plants. I am repeating manufacturing once again. Listen very carefully. Production of goods in a large scale after processing from raw material to more valuable products, that is known as what? Manufacturing. For example, paper is manufactured from wood. Wood we get from agriculture, means plants, or you can say forest. Sugar we obtain from sugarcane. Sugarcane is a raw material for what? Sugar. And we obtain sugarcane from our fields. Cotton cloths we obtain from cotton plants, because these cotton plants we get from where? From farms or fields. Now, next is importance of manufacturing industries. What is the importance of manufacturing industries? It helps in modernizing agriculture, reduce heavy dependence on agriculture income by providing jobs in non-agricultural sectors. After that, second point is what? Second is industries helps in creating jobs and generating more income. And third point is what? Export of manufactured goods expand trade and brings in foreign exchange. Industrial development brings prosperity to the country also. It means importance of manufacturing industry is spread in two large areas. Is it clear to all of you? Next topic is agriculture and industries in India are interdependent on each other. How agriculture and industries in India are interdependent on each other. Agro industries in India have boosted agriculture by raising its productivity. Industries depend on agriculture for their raw material. Industries depend on agriculture for their raw material. As I have told you before that we obtain sugar from sugarcane, and sugarcane we obtain from farms. It means industries depend on agriculture for their raw material. For example, cotton textile, sugar industry. Industries provide many agriculture inputs like irrigation, pumps, fertilizers, insecticides, PVC pipes, machines and tools to the farmers. Development of different modes of transport by industrial sector has not only helped farmers to obtain agriculture inputs but has also helped them for trading these products also. Now our next topic is factors which affect the location of an industry. There are so many factors which affect the location of any industry in our country. They are raw material, second is cheap labor, then power, capital. You can say capital is not the capital of our country or any state. It is the capital, means money invested on industry. After that, banking and insurance facilities. We shall discuss all these points one by one. First is raw material. We have taken the example of raw material first also, means all the industries are dependent on what? They are dependent on agriculture for their raw material, and raw material is the first requirement for the establishment of any industry. After that, second point is cheap labor. Availability of cheap labor is necessary for low cost of production for any industry. For example, if I am talking about handloom industry of Panipat city, then for handloom industry cheap labor is provided by Bihar and UP states, and these two states are just lying near the Haryana state. After that, next is power. power you can say electricity. Cheap and continuous supply of power is extremely necessity of any industry. Without electricity, we can't imagine about any industry. After that, capital. Capital you can say money invested on any industry. It is necessary for developing infrastructure for the entire industry and to give salary to their laborers. The capital is must. After that, banking and insurance facilities. If banking and insurance facilities are available near the industry, then the whole work of the industry can be run smoothly. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. Repeating the factors which affect the location of an industry. Once again, listen very carefully. These are very important factor for the examination point of view also. First is raw material. Second is cheap labor. Third is power or electricity. Next is capital or you can say money invested for any industry. After that, banking and insurance facilities. I have told you about raw material, that raw material is necessary for development or establishing any industry. This raw material, for example, if I am talking about cotton industry, then from cotton plants we get raw material for cotton industry. Or if I am talking about sugar industry, then sugarcane is the requirement as a raw material for sugar industry. Then second point is cheap labor. Availability of cheap labor is the most important point for establishment of any industry. I have told you before that cheap labor must be available near by these industry. Next is power or electricity. Availability of power is must for the establishment of any industry. Next is capital or you can say money invested in any industry. Capital is must because for infrastructure, for giving salary to the laborers, capital is must. After that, banking and insurance facility. Banking is required for the profit from industry, and for workers there is a requirement of insurance facility also. Clear?